Tutorbase offers a variety of integrations for your school's website, for example, an interactive WhatsApp widget. It's not only a great conversation starter, it also enables your team to follow up, even if your visitors leave your website early. Let me show you how easy it is to set it up. From your dashboard, head into Settings at the bottom left. Then select WhatsApp widget from the sidebar. WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app in many markets, so meeting your leads where they already are makes follow-up feel natural rather than salesy. If you're running multiple websites or brands, giving each widget a clear name helps you track where your leads are coming from. Using a real person's name or role makes the chat feel more personal. Visitors are more likely to engage when they feel they're talking to a real human, not a generic contact form. Keep your greeting short and warm. Something like, "Hi, what programs are you interested in?" Or, "Do you have any questions about our programs?" Asking for a phone number up front is key. Even if the visitor doesn't complete the chat, you still have a way to reach them. Dropdowns are great for qualifying leads instantly. Instead of sorting through vague replies later, you'll know exactly what each person is looking for. Think about what your front desk usually asks during the first call. Those are the questions worth adding here. Adding in, "I still don't know" option is smart. It catches undecided visitors who might otherwise drop off, and your team can help them figure it out. This is where the magic happens. Every response automatically flows into your CRM as a new lead, so nothing gets lost and your team can follow up right away. Turning on email notifications means your team gets pinged the moment a lead comes in. The faster you respond, the higher your conversion rate. That's it. Just paste this code into your website and your widget goes live. Works on WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Framer, basically any site builder. Now let's see what happens when a lead comes in. Every new submission appears as a card in your leads pipeline, with all the information your prospect has put. And from there, you can simply add or edit anything to complete their profile. As your team follows up, just drag leads to the next stage: contacted, scheduled, and so on. If your sales process includes different steps, you can configure the lead pipeline to your needs. You can choose a different color for each status. Let's do orange for when your lead has scheduled a trial lesson. This makes it super easy for your admins to keep an overview of all inquiries. And that's how you go from website visitor to organized lead in just a few clicks. Ready to try it yourself?